Hi guys, right now I'll show you a few ways to make a very loud signal whistle literally from trash using a Swiss Army knife. The first and best way is from a tin can. You need to cut off the bottom using the can opener so you can cut it further with scissors. Be careful when working with the tin can, don't cut yourself on its sharp edges. Now take the scissors from your Swiss Army knife. We need to cut a long strip about 1 centimeter wide. First, cut a larger piece to make it easier to handle. I've cut tin cans many times with the scissors from my Victorinox, and they're still sharp. Tin cans are made of sheet metal, which is much softer than the steel these scissors are made of. So now, cut a straight strip of the required width. Next, cut one strip about 6 or 7 centimeters long and another about 2 centimeters long. Like this. Take any cylindrical object of suitable diameter, for example, a tree branch. Bend the strips as I'm showing. Then, roll up the remaining end using the branch. Trim the excess with scissors. Slightly even it out. The end of the ring should be slightly higher than the straight part. Gently widen the hole with scissors so air can pass through. Here's what you should get. To use this whistle, block the ring on the sides with your fingers. You can make the same whistle even from a plastic bottle. First, cut off a suitable piece from the bottle just like before. Then make 2 strips, one long and one short. Join the strips the same way we did with the tin can. Plastic doesn't bend or hold shape as well as metal, but it's better than nothing if you need to send a signal. Plastic bends easily without needing a branch, but it's harder to give it the right shape. It keeps springing back. So roll it tightly and squeeze it from all sides. Trim the excess. And straighten it out. You don't even need to widen the hole, it formed by itself. Here's what you end up with. To use the whistle, again cover the ring on the sides with your fingers. Another good option is an aluminum can from soda or beer. Cut out a piece of suitable size. Make 2 strips. Fold them the same way as before. Roll them up using a stick. An aluminum can is the easiest to make a whistle from because it cuts well with scissors and bends easily. In terms of loudness, all 3 options are the same. Trim the excess. Make the whistle the right size so your fingers can fully cover the holes on the sides of the ring. Widen the hole. This is a small but very loud whistle. If you get lost in the woods, it can help you signal for help so you're found faster. Can also help scare off wild animals or stray dogs.